Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. Boy, that is bright. We got the sun gleaming right off the windshields of one of these cars out here at Copart in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are on the prowl for something cool to park in my garage or on my driveway. Of course, if you see something that you like as well, you can always sign up. You can pay your little fee. It's very minimal. You get it back if you don't want to do any more car buying. And you can come out here and look at cars and buy cars and save a ton of money. We're going to begin with something today that I have wanted for a long, long time. This lovely Lexus. At least, I think it's lovely. Yeah, I think she's gorgeous. This is a 2003 Lexus SC430. I like how it rhymes. I think these wheels are kind of cool. Very industrial, very Mad Max-ish. This side of the car looks very nice. The interior, with the blonde wood, looks gorgeous. Here's the problem though. She had a little disagreement with somebody and this could be kind of expensive, okay? There is some damage to your trunk. You will definitely need a tail light. You'll need a bumper. You'll need this pulled and this fixed right in through here, and there's a stress mark right here where it's just kind of gone in. So this will take a body person a little effort, and maybe even your exhaust has been affected as well. That could add up. That's why the car is here. Otherwise, it looks like it was really, really kept in great condition. Look at the seats. Look at that. 2003, it's 20 years old, and there are no cuts, no dents, no rips, no tears. This has come off, but this is an easy fix right here. Look, I just fixed it. Push it down, leave it, there you go. I fixed something already. And this is that blonde wood I was telling you about. This is gorgeous. Oh my, oh my. Okay. What do you think about the Lexus SC430? If you watch Top Gear back in the day with Jeremy Clarkson, they hated it. They really, really hated it. I've always loved it. I've always wanted one. The sound system is amazing. The driving experience is a tight little car, kind of Miata-like. It feels like it weighs a ton. Let's just see what's going to happen if we give her a little bit of love, okay? This is, oh, okay, so there's power. Nice. I love how that opens. Okay, nice. Okay, and she's perfect. Look at the mileage, 57,000 miles. And you have a sticker that says it's due at 62. This is a 20-year-old car with 57,000 miles, and the cup holder works perfectly. Usually those break. Look at this blonde wood. This is so pretty. Oh, I can change this. English or French. Okay, there's your old school. Let's close it up. It tilts back a little bit and the door comes forward. How fancy is that? How fancy is that? Now, a little person drove this because this seat is all the way up. But the interior, as you can see, it's in perfect condition. How much is it going to cost to fix the rear quarter? Yeah, look at that. Everything's fine. 3/4 of a tank of gas. We have the tire pressure monitors on. The door's open, so we can close this. I love, love, love the black, the blonde, and the tan. How nice is that? That is really nice. Oh my goodness, what did they listen to here?
And I said to Julie, I said, Jewel.
Okay, that sounds like a talk radio, almost a religious type of a thing. No one's ever sat in the back because no one can fit in the back. There's no, if you don't have legs, then you're fine. But no one sat back there. Look how, and the leather. This is new. This is a 20-year-old new car. Someone needs to get this. Heated seats right here. Someone definitely needs to get this and fix it. Oh my goodness, this would last for so long. I love it. I really do. How hard would it be though? Yeah, this is something I'm interested in. Okay, let me know what you think about this. I'd look good driving this Lexus, wouldn't I? Oh, she's beautiful. She is gorgeous. but we got to move on. I'm going to write down the number. We'll watch the auction, but even the dash is perfection. It really is. And the steering wheel, you've got your modes right here, volume and everything. See, still goes up and down, in and out, just like it's supposed to. Lexus does it right. They absolutely do. You know what? We didn't even show you the back part. So let's look at this very, very quickly. Super nice, super cool. And now maybe you can see a little bit more of the damage. See how this is pushed in? So it's supposed to be here, but it's there. So you're a good 3 or 4 inches off right there. But look at the condition of this. Whoever had this took such good care of their car. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. This is way more than I thought. And look how this is attached to the trunk. Yeah, they know what they're doing. This right here is beautiful. It's just the damage right there. I love it though. Is this even hitting? So we are kind of touching the tire right there. Not a big deal. Yeah, I forgot to show you the best part. Look how clean this is. Look at that. 60,000 miles, once again, on a 20-year-old car. This is absolutely perfect. No problems at all up here. The lights are working. Everything's going to work. It's just the body damage. But, oh, someone please save her. If I can't, please, someone come in and save her because she deserves to live. She really does. That is beautiful. Here's something we haven't seen before. This is a new Hyundai Elantra. This, it looks small when you walk up to it. 2022 Hyundai Elantra SE. Very pointy. That's a good word for it. It's not rounded anymore. You have all these little sharp edges that come off here. This kind of goes in here. This is a nice little edge above your taillight. It's a good looking car though. It really is. Little tires. The damage is you were T-boned. So it looks like, I don't think this will open. If your B-pillar is okay and your rocker panel is okay, all you do is put in a door. Okay, you may not find one for a while at the junkyard because it's too new for that. But look at this. It's a good looking car. Very industrial gray. Almost kind of Mad Max-ish. Let's go inside and see what it's like. I don't want to get it dirty. But we do have power. Oh, and we have little people glued onto the instrument cluster. That's nice. Okay. Ugh. Oh, I like this. Look at all these fake friends you have glued. I intend to be your last. This, you got this. You got what is this for? Who does this? Who is that? The guy from the vampire TV series? My family used to watch that a lot. Oh, okay. Let's just see what's going to happen. We got to push on the gas. Here we go. Ooh, a whole lot comes to life. This isn't the cleanest car. You got some glass in that seat. So that's been opened. This, it may be pushed back a little. I don't know. Let me fix the rear view mirror. There we go. Okay. Got the brake on. All kinds of lights. ABS, you got a triangle. You got this stability control. Airbag. Brakes. Tire pressure monitor. Collision. Well, thank you very much for telling me that. Check forward safety system. Yes, okay. We will do that. Absolutely. Look at all these little controls right here on your steering wheel. This is nice. So this one works. That one works. I'm not going to do that one. And that one works. So you will need the side airbag. You'll need the seat airbag and a door. 42,000 miles on this. There's your service sticker right there. Check ESC. We still have all kinds of lights going on. Give me something else. Thank you. High beam assist. HBA system. Okay, we'll check that. One more. Check driver attention warning system, DAW. Boy, Hyundai loves its acronyms, doesn't it? This is just weird. These little people that this person has glued everywhere. I don't know. That's different. That's really different. Let's go ahead and check out the trunk and the hood. I got the hood open. We got the trunk now open. And let's just kind of see your storage capabilities and the engine. It's a little car. Oh, look at the little bitty trunk. Ah, look at that. That's kind of cool. But it goes way back there. Nice. This is a huge trunk with a little bitty. How funny. Look how little. It's like 2 feet. 2 feet across. Okay. That's nice. I'm just getting all kinds of mud here, so we're going to have to not get in after I look at the engine. This is a mess. Here we go. And there it is. Double overhead cam, 16 valve with your Smart Stream G, whatever that is. I don't know, but it sounds good. It's a very quiet engine. It is. All right, close it up. What do you think about this? I love the grille. That's nice. I thought it was almost an EV just because of the grille, but it's not. And it looks like they've kind of hit a couple of parking guards right there in the past. But anyway, what a good looking little car. And finally, 2018 Lexus ES350 in a beautiful pearl white. This is a beautiful car. I haven't done any walking around, so I don't know what to expect, but everything looks to be pretty perfect on this side right here. So far, so good. No damage. No damage, just a little bit of mud everywhere. And no damage on this side either. Okay, there's a little scratch right there. Looks like the tire could be a little bit flat. This is pulled away a little bit, and it's kind of scratched along the bottom. Is that why you're here? Looks like the windshield is broken as well, but what an hourglass figure. Woo! Sexy, sexy, sexy grill right there. Yeah, this is there's a problem right there. Let's see if she's got any power. Oh, this is nice. Whoa, look at this, baby. Okay. Oh, my goodness. Okay, everything just moved so close to me. I can't even hardly move now. So let me just tap the brake. Here we go. She's in perfect condition. I don't want to get any dirt on the floor. So I just touched the brake and I came back. The dash, the brown is gorgeous. Oh, this is nice. Pickup date, claim, lost type unknown. Is that all this? It's a little dirty right here if I'm going to be very picky. The mechanic that got in and out of this car to check it out was kind of a pig. This is nice. Look at this, 50,000 miles. Everything is absolutely going to work. Look how quiet. Nice tinting on the window. There it is. Heated and cooled seats right here. Little cup holder. Eco, normal, sport. Push for the volume. Oh, they were listening to satellite radio. That doesn't seem to work right now. Okay, we'll turn that off. But oh my goodness, even this little Lexus clock is a nice touch. And look at the stitching. The stitching here matches this. This is a very uppity car. This is really, really nice with the brown wood here. Holy moly. Okay, let's open everything and just take a quick look. It's amazing the cars you can find here because some of them, you can obviously tell. Some of them it's like somebody is so picky Or they just have so much insurance, they just would rather get a new one and let the insurance deal with it. Perhaps they have insurance forgiveness. Look how big the trunk is. That's huge. This is so nice. Such a nice vehicle. That can't be all the damage in the windshield. How much is a windshield for one of these? Really? And there it is. Trusty old V6. Engine mount easy to change right there. Your coolant looks nice and pink and good. Battery looks nice. Although it is kind of, there we go. We fixed something else. Your brake fluid, nice and clear. Very clean. It's a perfect car in my opinion. I wouldn't even notice this. I love that. Whoosh, whoosh. That's gorgeous. I would push this in and never see it again. And I think I just did. There we go. We just fixed it. Now you can't even tell. She's back to perfect. Get yourself a windshield, call it a day. You don't even have to work. You don't even have to do that. Take it to somewhere, they will replace it for you. You sit there, read a book, you're done, and then you have a beautiful Lexus. Holy crap. Am I right or am I right about this lovely Lexus? Yeah, it's gorgeous. It really is nice. Let me know what you think about this and the other cars. Do you like this Lexus better than the SC430? Probably so. Much easier fix. But it's going to be more expensive. It really is. This side is poking out just a little bit. I need to give it a little touch. There we go. This is a little bit off, so maybe this has been replaced. I don't know. I wouldn't worry about it at all. I would just drive the heck out of the car. Absolutely. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Thanks for hanging with me. My voice is almost gone at this point. I've got that bug that's been going around. I've had it for about 10 days. I'm hoping to get better very, very soon, but I had to get out here and make some content so I can make that coin and make that house payment. Yikes. Okay? We're back with another video very, very soon. Of course, we are getting our hands dirty. We got that Volvo we're going to work on. We have 2 Mercedes wagons we're going to work on. I received some more bikes. The weather's warming up, so we're going to have a little bit of everything for you. All right? So stay tuned. Okay? Have a great day. We'll see you again. Bye-bye.